Wow.
Wow. Because
Okay,
that's what it's
so
called.
it's Channel of the Week, and
Yes.
lucky me, I've been chosen with every week. Okay, I've chosen a channel called Come Drone With Me. It's by Doug, and he goes droning with his daughter every week or every whenever, and she's his spotter. And in this video, it's called Turning Stone Casino and Resort in New York, and it's a really nice video.
Nice.
Take a look. Really nice channel.
Brilliant.
That's
I
brilliant.
love
That
that
was awesome.
mirror building.
Oh, yeah.
I'd love
So
to.
is it all one complex?
Yeah, that is. It's a Turning Stone Casino and Resort.
Gee.
Yeah,
Yeah.
some complex.
That's
With
Very nice.
nice looking golf course as well.
Yeah.